Empower your business with lean manufacturing tools. Streamline, optimize, and excel. Greetings from Everyday GMP. I am your presenter from Everyday GMP. This is series of video. We will discuss all the lean manufacturing tools. In this series we will discuss more than 30 lean manufacturing tools. In this video we will cover few lean tools like just-in-time, JIT, Kaizen, Kanban and KPIs. Link of other videos are in the description. Further tools are covered in other videos series of lean manufacturing tools video number 4. Keep watching all videos, so let's start. Lean manufacturing is a systematic approach to optimizing processes and eliminating waste within a manufacturing system. The primary goal is to deliver maximum value to customers while minimizing resources, time, and costs. It focuses on continuous improvement and the relentless pursuit of efficiency. Several tools are commonly used in lean manufacturing to achieve these objectives, like Kaizen 5S bottleneck analysis and just-in-time, JIT, Kanban poker yoke total productive maintenance, TPM, Six Sigma, and much so. Let's start to the main presentation. Just-in-time, efficient, waste-free production through precise inventory management and timely resource allocation in lean manufacturing. The just-in-time, JIT, inventory system is a management strategy that aligns raw material orders from suppliers directly with production schedules. Companies employ this inventory strategy to increase efficiency and decrease waste by receiving goods only as they need them for the production process, which reduces inventory costs. This method requires producers to forecast demand accurately. Just-in-time as lean tool importance: efficiency boost, cost reduction, enhanced quality, operational flexibility, supplier relationship improvement, effective cash flow management, continuous improvement culture, competitive advantage. Business benefits of just-in-time method: streamlined operations and production processes, reduced inventory holding costs and waste, enhanced product quality through rigorous quality control, improved flexibility to respond quickly to market demands, efficient use of resources, leading to cost savings, closer and more reliable relationships with suppliers, increased cash flow due to minimized inventory investments, promotes a culture of continuous improvement and efficiency within the organization. Kaizen, continuous improvement approach in lean methodology, focusing on small, incremental changes to enhance efficiency and productivity. It is a philosophy of continuous improvement that can be applied to all aspects of life, including manufacturing, business, and personal life. The goal is to make small, incremental improvements on a regular basis, which leads to significant improvements over time. Kaizen, in a business context, refers to the philosophy and practice of continuous improvement. It is a Japanese term that translates to change for better or continuous improvement. In business, Kaizen involves making small, incremental changes and improvements in processes, products, and operations to enhance efficiency, quality, and overall performance. Kaizen is closely associated with lean manufacturing and the Toyota production system, but its principles have been applied in various industries and sectors to achieve better results and foster a culture of ongoing improvement. Key aspects of Kaizen in business include continuous improvement, employee involvement, problem-solving, elimination of waste, standardization, data-driven cultural shift. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay. If you have any questions or want to share your journey, leave a comment below. Kanban. visual scheduling tool in lean methodology, optimizing workflow by signaling tasks and inventory levels, promoting efficiency and minimizing waste. Kanban. It is a visual management system that helps teams visualize their work, identify bottlenecks, and improve efficiency. It is a pull system, which means that work is only pulled into production when it is needed. This helps to prevent overproduction and waste. Kanban, as a lean tool, finds numerous applications in business. Visual management provides a clear visual representation of work processes. Work prioritization helps prioritize tasks for efficient completion. Inventory management signals production based on inventory levels, reducing excess inventory. Waste reduction minimizes overproduction, excess inventory, and unnecessary movements. Flexible workflow easily adapts to changing requirements and priorities. Enhanced communication promotes transparency and effective team communication. Continuous improvement identifies inefficiencies, enabling prompt problem-solving. Team collaboration fosters collaboration through shared visual boards. Shorter lead times streamlines processes for faster product, service delivery. Customer satisfaction ensures timely task completion, leading to higher customer satisfaction. KPIs. Key performance indicators. KPIs in lean, key performance indicators used to measure and improve organizational performance, aligning with business goals for continuous efficiency and effectiveness. They are used to measure the performance of a manufacturing organization. Most common KPIs: OEE, machine utilization, WIP, lead time, defect rate, customer satisfaction. They are used to measure the performance of a manufacturing organization. They are used to measure the performance of a manufacturing organization, help to track progress towards goals, helps identify areas for improvement, helps to allocate resources effectively, help to improve communication and collaboration, helps to improve communication and collaboration. That's all for today's video on lean manufacturing tools. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay. If you have any questions or want to share your journey, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for your goals.